Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Mack Granite, and this is by Majorette, and this is from the city car series. So I always wanted to buy a Mack Granite, you know, I mean in diecast I'm saying. So finally I got one, and let's open it and see how it looks. Okay, here it is. So the initial impressions are like, okay, it looks nice. So this entire part is made of metal. Apart from this one, this is plastic, and this part is plastic. So I think we have some openable parts here. Let's see. Yeah, you can open. Here it is. It's a closer look, but this looks really nice. The paint job, the matte finish is really beautiful, and you can see some dust here and there. I don't know how it is getting inside of a sealed pack. And the tires are actually made of plastic. It's not rubber. Let's see if this have any suspension. It does have suspension, but it is not that good like other Majorettes which we have opened. Okay, this is also made of plastic on this part here, but this looks phenomenal. I wish they had some kind of fiber here for the headlights and tail lights, but they just painted it, and they don't have any tail lights as well. So that's it for today guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. So it would be great help if you guys subscribe and support me. So consider subscribing. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.